Sound of a ticking clock, then a sudden loud phone ring. Me? Hello? Kaun? Silence, then a faint, distorted whisper. Whisper, आ रहा हूँ. Me? Hello? कौन बोल रहा है? ये मजाक नहीं है. Sound of wind picking up outside. Me? कौन हो तुम? Jawab do. The whisper returns, closer, clearer but still distorted. Whisper, Darwaza khula rakhna. Sound of footsteps, slow and deliberate, approaching the house. Me? ये क्या हो रहा है? Voice trembling. Footsteps stop right outside the door. Sudden silence. Door creak. Me? Scream. Footsteps inside the house, moving away, getting fainter. Ticking clock resumes, but faster now. Then a faint whisper from within the room. Whisper, ab tum bhi. Sound of a person gasping, then silence.